Welcome back to Stock Tech, guys. Today we have come up with a video on Nifty view. Okay, support and resistance levels for Nifty for the upcoming week. So what may happen in this week? A lot of people are having this question. There's a long weekend. Today is Thursday, Friday. Due to Ganesh Chaturthi, we have a holiday. Then there's Saturday, and then there is Sunday. Okay, so 3 days of no markets, and on Monday, what may happen? So let's try to read the charts and try to see what the charts have to talk to us about. Okay, now recently, if you have seen our previous analysis, okay, you can go to our website www.stocktech.in, and on the website you can just go to the technicals page. On the technicals page, we had posted a Nifty view, okay, a blog on Nifty on the 3rd of August. Okay, let's see what we had posted. So let me go to the blog. Every week we keep updating blogs on the website, so you can keep following, right? So here was our blog on Nifty. So which said Nifty takes a long-awaited breakout of 16,000. For the first time in history, Nifty has crossed 1600 levels and achieved all-time high. Before reaching Nifty had taken resistance at 15,900 multiple times. We know approximately 15,960, 15,970. Nifty was taking resistance. So it had formed a sideways channel. Okay, so a sideways trend was formed. On the 3rd of August, Nifty took a breakout, and we posted this blog saying that the immediate targets could be 16,500 by the end of the same week. Okay, this was posted on 3rd August, remember, and 17,000 plus in the next 2 weeks. But today's closing on 16,000 was very important. Let me go to the Nifty chart, and if I go to the Nifty chart, you can see this is the day I'm talking about, 3rd of August, and Nifty gave a very amazing closing on the same day. It closed about the 16,000 levels, which was a sideways trend formation, and a breakout took place over here, resulting in a continuous uptrend. And Nifty gave an amazing rally from this same levels, which took it to the current high of 17,400 approximately, right? So we had posted over here saying that in the next week it could reach 16,500. But you can see in the next few days it reached 16,500, and we had said by next 2 weeks it could go 17,000 plus, and it crossed 17,000 plus by the end of August, right? So this was a beautiful analysis that we had done last time, right? So what did this analysis give us? Okay, a majority of people would ask, okay, we make analysis, but how profitable are this analysis? So let me go to a trading account. Okay, here I'm going to console. Let me go to the console. Here are the reports. Profit and loss report for the month of August. Based on our analysis was done on 3rd of August, and from 3rd of August to the 31st of August, I mean from the 1st of August I've selected, and Nifty trading, so I'm selecting options over here. Okay, you can see we made a profit of 9.78 lakhs, 9,78,000, and you can see majority of the profit came from Nifty trades. You can see Nifty, okay, it gave us 1,90,000 profits. That was in terms of percentage 443%. We bought it at 47 rupees. We sold it at 259 rupees. Nifty over here, you can see another 1,42,000 profit, 1 lakh in Nifty. So this is for the month of August. You can see the dates over here. These are various trades. 9,78,000 profit was achieved just in the month of August. Okay, losses, very small losses in Nifty over here. Let me go to page number 2. And here we made some loss in Nifty, 9,000. So maximum loss that we have made here is 19,000, 48,000. That was loop-in trade. But if you see Nifty, maximum loss in Nifty was 29,000 in a trade. Okay, and 19,000, 9,000. So only 4 loss-making trades in Nifty. And here 2,000. Okay, and currently you can see big profits made in Nifty. Okay, 443%. Wait, let me show you which contract it was. Yeah, it was a 16,000 C. You can see 16,000 C. So as soon as Nifty broke out, we took the in the money option, and at 47, and it went up to 259. We sold it at 259. Right. So the huge 42,000 rupees investment, 2,35,000 was the value when we sold it off, giving us a profit of 1,90,000. So this is the beauty if you have perfect analysis. So let's see. This is past. Let's see the future. What can happen? What is the probability? What can happen with Nifty in the coming days? So let me go back to the Nifty chart. So this was the breakout. Okay. Now currently Nifty, okay, Nifty is in a continuous uptrend. So we know that the uptrend started from here. Okay. So let me make the bottom line trend line. Okay, so if you draw a trend line, it's a little tricky now since it's a steep uptrend, right? So this could be a major trend line which would act as a major support for Nifty. So this could be a major trend line, but this may happen in a few days. Okay, what can happen immediately on Monday? What is the probability whether Nifty would go up, Nifty would go down? This is a continuous uptrend channel that Nifty is following now. It's a beautiful uptrend channel when Nifty is exactly taking a resistance. You can see I've matched 2 points, point 1, point 2, and automatically took a resistance from the point number 3. Okay, what can happen in the upcoming days? So I would go to the lower time frame, that's 15 minutes time frame, to analyze. So when I go to the 15 minutes, and let me reset the chart. Okay, this is the major support. Okay, so the major support is at 17,100. It keeps increasing every day. You might know that as a trend line increases, the major support keeps increasing, right? So this would be a major trend line support. You guys can mark it on your charts and keep a watch on this. This will be perfect major uptrend support channel, right? This would act as the support and this would act as the resistance. Okay, this is for long term, I mean for monthly view. But weekly view, okay, let me just show you. Within the long channel, we have something happening over here. First of all, if you see, observe clearly, okay, you can see the Nifty is forming a flag pattern. What is a flag pattern? Okay, if you see, this is acting as a resistance line now. It is taking a resistance, and here you have a typical support for Nifty, right? So I would match this too. Okay, so you have a support line within the bigger trend. You have a support line over here and you have a resistance line over here. Currently, Nifty has taken resistance today over here. What would happen over here? So now there are two things that can happen. If Nifty takes a breakout at this particular point over here, what can happen over here is Nifty may take a breakout. If the weekend, over the weekend, if the global markets do well and everything, there's no bad news, nothing goes wrong, then we may have a retest and Nifty may reach 18,000 levels if there's a breakout for this particular range over here. Possible. Okay, what is the second thing that can happen? Nifty may continue in this channel for a few more days unless it reaches this particular level over here. Here, okay, so Nifty may reach this particular strong support. Okay, it may continue over here. Okay, and then it may reach. This can act as a very decisive point, because if Nifty takes a strong support over here on this particular trend line, see, this trend line is not fixed that it may take support at 17,180. You have to be very careful and you have to watch the trends properly. It may take over here. Okay, so basically I'm just keeping it like this. So it may take a strong support over here. Now that would be a decisive point, right? Because this also will be further extended over here. So a strong bounce back from here and resulting in a breakout may take it further up. But if there's a breakdown happening over here, okay, a big fall can be expected, because the next major support is somewhere around over here. You have a major support over here. This range would act as the major support then. That is 16,700 range, right? So a very important thing to remember, that is you have to keep a watch of these two channels right now. Okay, one is just the day major uptrend channel, the day major uptrend channel of the day time frame, and then this would be for the longer view. Okay, if you can see today's movement for Nifty, I'll just remove this so we can clearly see. You can see I've drawn the flag pattern over here, and Nifty is exactly following this pattern to come down, right? It's coming down in this pattern. It's taking resistance as at this line. A breakout here would take Nifty further up. Okay, and if it takes resistance over here, then let's go into the 15 minutes time frame and understand. It may come down to what levels? 17,200 levels, which would act as a major support. You have a strong demand zone also over here at 17,200 levels. You have a strong demand zone. Let me mark the demand zone for you guys. So here you have a strong demand zone as well, okay, which would keep Nifty from coming down. You can see this zone has pushed Nifty up multiple times, one time, two times. So here 2 times the same level has pushed Nifty up. So you have a strong demand level as well. So this is the slant channel continuation. I'm matching 2 bottoms over here, 1 bottom, 2 bottom, and 2 tops I have matched, and this is the channel for Nifty. So be very careful. 17,200, 17,150 to 17,200 will act as a strong level based on this incline. Okay, and this line would act as the resistance. Okay, approximate resistance for Monday is 17,000. Let me just highlight that for you. Approximate resistance for Monday would be 17,380. So 17,380 would act as a breakout. You can see multiple times Nifty has tried to cross this levels over here, but was not successful. So 17,380 levels would be the major resistance for Nifty on Monday, crossing which would take it to immediately to the levels of 17,437, which would act as the secondary resistance, and crossing which would take it to a further unstoppable rally over here. Okay, but if it takes resistance over here, then you have supports around 17,200 levels, 17,150 to 17,200 levels. So this is the Nifty view for the upcoming week. We will observe Monday's movement and we will update the view on Tuesday again. So keep following the channel and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for the further videos. Right, we have a lot of basic training videos on our channel. You can subscribe to the channel, you can watch those videos, and you can keep waiting for the views. So to finish off the video, I would like to say that Monday the resistance is around 17,380 would act as a major resistance on Monday, right here for Monday, and the support levels would be around 17,200. Okay, support levels. So let's make it green. So this would be for Monday. But where's the major support? The major support is this trend line. So keep in mind. And currently Nifty is following the downtrend channel. So you have to watch out for the downtrend channel, right? Breaking out the downtrend channel will take it to the further rally, which would take it up to 17,646 over here, right? So keep a watch on Nifty.
To join our free WhatsApp group, call 7829295555 or visit www.stocktech.in. This video is for educational and study purpose only. We do not assure, guarantee or promise any returns from the strategy in the video, and we are also not responsible for any profit or loss that you make. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you.